Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger full stop. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger full stop, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application. Sorry for that. We go down to find the application of Messenger here, and you will enter. Then in this page you will click for stop and you will click here OK. Then you will go to click storage. After that you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And after all that you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.